Here we are, performers of the 20th century, singers, pianists, violinists, cellists, orchestral instrumentalists, and conductors.
When Alban Berg in 1904 came to me, he was a very tall youngster and extremely timid. But when I saw the compositions he showed me,
this sonatino was originally conceived as a group of Romanian folk dances for piano. The three parts which Mrs. Bartok will play.
Quand j'ai eu 3 ans, j'étais dans la petite ville hongroise dans les Carpates. Ma tante a vu que je n'aime pas les araignées et elle m'a forcé que je prenne avec ma main les toiles d'araignée. J'ai eu énorme peur, mais elle était là et elle m'a forcé.
This premiere, really, the second premiere, the world premiere, because it's a new score. I was asked by my publisher to reduce the orchestration because, you know, that time in...
I studied at the Polytechnic School in Athens as engineer because what I was interested in was mathematics. But then the war broke, and so I couldn't do anymore as I wanted. I had the resistance and so on. Besides that, I started music, not only physics or
Yes, I think you're right to talk about it in terms of a vocation. I certainly felt the musical life was as spiritually vocational as
下村陽子と申します。大阪出身で、東京に今住んでます。ゲーム音楽を作っても26年目に入りました。一つの曲を書くって決まった時に、大体企画の人からこういう曲が欲しいですって、リストみたいなものをいただくんですけれども。
Yo, what's up? I'm Toby Radiation Fox. I'm the guy that does music for Homestar, the coolest comic on the internet with the coolest fandom. Yeah, as you can tell, I am super hip and young and ironic and a nerd. Yeah, check out the sweet tunes I'm writing. Check them all out. Here's a tune I wrote just now. How relevant, how new. Buy it.
Très mal à la tête aujourd'hui. Je vais nulle part, je reste dans ma chambre. J'ai mis la cravate pour être poli. Je vais manger parce que j'ai faim. J'ai très mal à la tête. C'est tout, messieurs, pour aujourd'hui. Alors vous allez. Voilà. Maintenant, vous pouvez finir, me donner la main. Vous pouvez le faire?
Sorry.
You don't speak French. So I will translate it. You can finish the business.